Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea at home like McDonald's. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality black tea. You'll need 4 family-sized tea bags for a robust flavor. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil, then turn off the heat. Add your tea bags and let them steep for exactly 7 minutes. Remember to remove the tea bags gently without squeezing them, as this can release bitter tannins into your tea. Now for that signature sweetness. While the tea is still warm, add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir it thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves. This ensures a perfectly balanced sweetness throughout your drink. Next, pour in 4 cups of cold water. This step helps to quickly cool down the tea and brings it to the ideal strength. Give it another good stir to combine everything evenly. Once your tea is sweetened and diluted, it's time to get it perfectly chilled. Transfer the tea to a pitcher and place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This ensures it reaches that crisp, refreshing temperature. When you're ready to serve, fill a glass with plenty of ice. Pour your homemade iced tea over the ice, and for that classic touch, add a fresh lemon wedge. Enjoy your perfectly brewed iced tea. You've now mastered the art of making delicious iced tea at home, just like your favorite fast food spot. This recipe makes about 8 servings, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the week. Remember to store any leftover tea in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain its freshness. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy sipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.